Guys, naa namin diri dapit sa hanging bridge. Pila na lang kalakang, mabot kami sa hanging bridge now. So, yeah. Napandol si Saysay, guys. Hapit siya na dagma. Sayang, wala na dayon. Sorry, Che. Hugaw lang. Hugaw, magupo nga pagkatao. Guys, na namin sa hanging bridge. Look at us. You looking? You're looking? We're waving like, oh my god, it's so scary here. But as time goes by, we make anad-anad na ourselves past here kay there's no other way man. It's so very layo man if dili mi here mag-agi. So here na lang mi nag-agi kay wala naman mi laing makita way. So that's why nakalampas namin sa hanging bridge. But our feeling is like we're still like, yeah. Floating, I guess. Siga ay mong mata. Shooting. So, nanami diri sa highway, guys. Nga, medyo dili siya highway. Pero, dili siya rough road. Dili pa siya highway. Nandiyan na. Tapos, dara si Chirel. That's Chirel. We're walking now. Saan ko na? Itong pansit niya na. Guys, magbayad si Saysay sa her utang. But, I won't accept it yet. Kay, hindi pa man ako kinahanglan ng kwarta. Guys, nakita na ko si Cyril diri. Cyril, why are you there? Let's go na. It's almost 2 p.m. It's 1 a.m. 1 p.m. Magpadaplin us kay basin ligsan tayo ng car zone. It's so dusty. Saba.